Are you looking to invest in a residential lot in the Riviera Maya, but everything you've seen is far from the beach, lacks of infrastructure, or just doesn't feel trustworthy? Would you love to build your dream home, but the process seems complicated, time-consuming, or full of headaches? We completely understand. That's why at Top Investments, we give you access to residential lots pre-sale located in the best areas with the highest appreciation potential across the Riviera Maya. Investing with us, it's clear, simple, and stress-free. You choose the lot that best fits your budget, preferred location, and lifestyle, and we guide you step by step so you can make the smartest investment decision. And if you decide to build, we can connect you with trusted architects and construction experts to help you bring your vision to life without complications. It doesn't matter if you don't live in the area or it's your first investment. With us, your investment is in good hands. Now, you might be thinking, isn't buying a pre-sale lot too risky? Wouldn't it be easier to just buy something already built? The truth is, our investors are often surprised by how much value they gain from buying in a pre-sale and how quickly their lots increase in value as the developments grow. Many of them bought early and have already seen significant appreciation even without building yet. So, why trust us? We are Top Investments, a family-owned company with over 15 years of experience helping people like you invest safely in the Mexican Caribbean. From Cancún to Playa del Carmen, Tulum, Bacalar, Mahahual, we have exclusive access to strategic real estate developments surrounded by nature, strong infrastructure, and continuous growth. Today, you have the opportunity to invest in a residential lot in one of the most desirable and high potential regions in the country. Click the link below to explore our investment opportunities and speak with one of our expert advisors. This is your chance to secure your safe investment in the Riviera Maya starting today. Click now and take advantage of this opportunity today.